Namaste. This meditation invites a sense of spaciousness, connection to the universal wisdom. I'd like to invite you now to make yourself comfortable and gently close your eyes. And as you take a slow breath in, notice if you have any thoughts. And as you exhale, notice once again if you have any thoughts. We'll sit together for 1 minute in silence, and I'd like to invite you to just observe the thoughts that may arise as you breathe and not do anything but notice. You may want to interact with the thoughts. You may want to control or guide them. So if in that 1 minute you find it difficult, you're always welcome to label the thought as a helpful or an unhelpful thought, or even maybe neutral, and then let the thought go. Imagine placing the thought on a leaf and sending it down a stream. This will help you to give space between yourself and your thoughts. I'll start the timer now. Welcome back, and I hope that 1 minute of silence allowed you to just relax and see without judgment. From here, I'd like to invite you to bring your awareness to the crown of your head. Imagine a radiant white crystal gently opening above the crown of your head. With each breath in, imagine the light cascading down and filling your body, encasing it in this soft starlight. And rest in this spacious awareness before we move to the affirmations. Repeat in your mind, I am connected to the greater universe. I am connected to the universal energy that flows around me. Peace percolates throughout my entire being. I am part of the vast unfolding of life. I am connected to the universal energy that flows around me. Peace percolates throughout my entire being. I am part of the vast unfolding of life. I'd like to invite you to rest for a few moments in this feeling of spaciousness and stillness. I hope you've enjoyed these 7 sound bites, and you're welcome to begin the journey whenever you feel like you need a little bit more grounding energy. Namaste.